How to withdraw USDT ERC20 from Trust Wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can withdraw USDT ERC20 from Trust Wallet. For that case, you have to go to login into your Trust Wallet account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page, what next you have to do is you'll be taken on this field. So here, go ahead and press on the plus icon or manage crypto. So over here, you go ahead and enable USDT first of all. Make sure to toggle the button, and when you actually selected this, now you can go ahead and open up in the home page, and on this page go ahead and locate USDT. So after that, you could go ahead and tap on withdraw, or you could just tap on the send button. Now add the address where you actually want to withdraw, enter the exact amount and confirm the transaction. With that, you will have successfully withdraw USDT ERC20 from Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.